Welcome to Mammotion. I'm Jose Cuervo. I'm the head of the DIY channel here in Europe for all our products. We are #1 brand for lawn movers in your garden, especially the new generation of lawn movers without boundary. You see here the Luba 3000 is one of our flagship models for robotic lawn movers. It's a perimeter wire-free lawn mover with all-wheel drive and it has LiDAR technology, 3 fusion camera, and of course all the regular security and safety systems we have. It has a double blade cutting disc with over 6 blades, so it's the perfect lawn care for your home. What the customer more and more expects is perfect working products, so they can save the time, but on the same moment it's easy to use. It starts with the product itself. It continues with the application on the mobile phone to control your item. The focus for us is our first customer is the people in the shop, because the staff in the shop has to know about the product. They have to feel the product and we have to convince them that it's the best option to buy a Mammotion. The most surprising feedback we got during this year from the DIY was, Mammotion, there are a lot of lawn movers and competitors on the market. Your product has the right quality, we have an excellent LiDAR with super camera, and of course, what about the design? Open your eyes, you see this is like a race car and everybody likes it. So it's a self-selling product for you at home.